Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Rebalancing Calculator for income portfolios. To begin, dividend rebalancing is a process that helps investors keep their income portfolio aligned with their target allocation, income goals, and risk tolerance. Instead of allowing one stock or sector to become too large, rebalancing helps maintain a more balanced and steady dividend strategy. First, set your target allocation. This means deciding how much of your portfolio should be invested in each dividend holding. For example, you may want stock A to represent 30%, stock B to represent 25%, stock C to represent 20%, stock D to represent 15%, and stock E to represent 10% of the total portfolio. Next, enter your current portfolio data. This includes the current market value of each holding, the dividend yield, and the expected annual income. In this example, the total portfolio value is $280,000, with an expected annual dividend income of $13,200. After that, calculate the current allocation of each holding. This is done by dividing each holding's market value by the total portfolio value. For example, stock A has a market value of $90,000, which equals 32.1% of the portfolio. Then, compare the current allocation with the target allocation. If stock A is currently 32.1%, but the target is 30%, it is overweight by 2.1%. On the other hand, if stock B is currently 21.4%, but the target is 25%, it is underweight by 3.6%. After comparing the numbers, calculate the rebalancing amount. If a holding is above its target, you may need to sell part of it. If a holding is below its target, you may need to buy more. In this example, stock A requires selling about $5,880, while stock B requires buying about $10,080. Similarly, stock C is above its target allocation, so around $14,000 may need to be sold. Stock D is slightly above target, so about $1,960 may need to be sold. Meanwhile, stock E is below target, so around $11,760 may need to be bought. As a result, the portfolio becomes realigned with the target allocation while keeping the total portfolio value at $280,000. This helps maintain balance across the holdings and supports the expected income goal. In addition, the portfolio shows a weighted average dividend yield of 4.6%, expected annual income of $13,200, and expected monthly income of $1,100. This means the portfolio is currently on track to reach its income goal based on the assumptions shown. Moreover, rebalancing is useful because it helps control risk, avoid overconcentration, and maintain the desired income level. It can also help lock in gains from overweight positions and improve long-term portfolio discipline. However, investors should not rebalance too frequently without reason. A good rule is to review the portfolio when any holding moves more than 5% away from its target, before or after large market moves, or at regular intervals such as quarterly or semi-annually. Finally, remember that transaction costs, taxes, changing dividend yields, and market conditions can affect the final result. This calculator is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.